Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to Sisters Meet. Today we have a cool toy to show you. It is a magnetic frame board with some letters and numbers.
Thank you, Innocheer.
Let's open this up.
So, letters and numbers.
Here's the letters and numbers.
They're gonna be good.
An eraser, a marker,
What color is this? This is green.
it's a whiteboard. It's double-sided, so it has a whiteboard, and I think this is the magnetic side. So we're gonna start with the magnetic side. So let's open this up. Dump it all up.
Ooh, that's a lot. Come back here, X.
Okay. Okay, Belle. What letter is this?
A.
Good job. These are also magnetic, so you can put them on the board.
Lowercase a.
What letter is this?
Lowercase a.
Good job. What letter is this?
W.
Good job. Do you know what number this is?
3.
A plus sign?
T.
Do you know what number this is?
5.
Good job. Do you know what 3 plus 5 equals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Can you find the number 8?
8.
Good job. 3 plus 5 equals 8.
Letter A.
There's also the side of a whiteboard. It also is magnetic, and it came with a marker, a green one,
I'm racing.
and an eraser.
I gotta open
Like you
it.
can say,
Is that green?
or no, it's black.
I thought it was green. What does that say?
Hello.
And erase.
Yeah.
Maybe I can use this side.
You can use both sides to erase it. Let's do some more math.
Turn it. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's Isabel. Isabel. Who is Isabel?
Okay, guess what? What do you think I drew?
A dress.
No.
A balloon.
No. Your last guess.
A watermelon.
No. What do you think? I
think it's a mountain.
No, it's this board. I can't turn it around because I'll see your letters.
Okay.
But I'm not going to erase it yet, so you'll get to see.
But what did I spell?
I don't know.
I didn't spell I don't know.
Ice?
No.
Pool?
No.
Okay, my last guess. Ear.
No. Mom.
Oh! You want to see? This is how I drew it.
That was super fun.
If you like this toy, our link is in the description. And remember,
we love you.
Bye-bye.